So hello friends, this is MacBook Air 13.3 inches which I have ordered from Amazon, and I got it for rupees 73,000 including the bank discount and my exchange of old laptop which they took for around 7,900. So let's do the unboxing. One is done, and let's see. The box is very small than the complete big packed box. Very small, very compact. So this is all the details. I don't know. And the price written over here is 92,900 and the manufacturing is of September 2021. Let's see, it is manufactured in India, China, or where. Name and address of the it is manufactured in USA. Here comes the another box inside. पॉज कर दो, बंद कर दो. So here it is. पीछे से सही एंगल आ रहा है ना? एंगल ये सही आना चाहिए. रखो तो लाइन. Let's first see what it does. Written MacBook 13 inches. It is silver color, 8 core CPU and 7 core GPU. Assembled in China, whereas it is designed in California. 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip. Apple claims that this chip is faster than even the i7 11th generation chip provided by Intel. What it has this backlight with True Tone. This is the resolution written. 2 Thunderbolts, USB 4 ports, headphone jack is there, stereo speakers are there, Touch ID, full size backlit, Magic Keyboard, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, FaceTime HD camera, pre-installed MacBook OS. Okay, all the necessary things, nothing special. Okay, let's final unboxing. So here it is. This is the packing. Oh, this is very compact but still very good finish. Let's see if there is any scratch or anything. Since I've ordered it online, there are many cases that people have received faulty products. This is very slim, you can see. Also, there is no space for cooling. Also, it doesn't have active cooling. I don't know how this chip is going to be cooled down. Let's see. Here, let's put it aside for a bit and see what other things are there in the box. This is Apple. Recently I saw the reason of why they give these kind of stickers, so that you put it and they get their product publicized. This is the normal paperwork. This charger you get. This charger is USB-C power adapter. There is a 30-watt fast charger. Normal charger for a laptop. The earlier laptop I had of Dell has 65 watt of usage. Okay, this is the charging cable. Anything further it has? No, I think there is nothing else. That is it. Okay, let's boot it. Let's try to do it with one finger. Very nice. There's a paper there. Oh. Very smooth, very clean, quality feeling. And I don't know when, though I was feeling the screen will be very small, considering I was using 14-inch laptops, but the screen looks considerably good.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Maybe the bezels are very less, that might be the reason. It's the first time I'm using Apple, so B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Select your Wi-Fi. The screen is very pleasing to eyes. Top is also very lightly weight. From Windows